Welcome, my name is Roger and I'm gonna show you how I painted this super easy to do rock. It's basically you can use any color that you want, but I started by using white as a base color and then I kept on adding different colors. I used red, orange, yellow, purple, Turkish. You just use as many colors as you want or less colors. You can use light colors. The reason why I wanted to make it really light is because of the lettering, because I use black paint to do the letters. By the way, I'm gonna leave the descriptions of all the details on the paints that I use and other tools as well on the description below, so check out the description below on this video. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know on the comment section below. I want to dedicate this rock to my lovely and beautiful wife. It's something that I cannot get enough of her. I love her so much and I tell her every day. And I wrote every day, I love you more. So I want to thank her also because I know that she loves me. As any marriage, we know there are days that we feel tired or bored, whatever it is that life brings in. But at the end of the day, I always tell her I love her and she tells me she loves me too, and we know that we love each other more and more every day. So baby, this rock is dedicated to you. I love you so much and I love you every day more and more. So if you are new to this channel and you like the content of the channel, consider subscribing and activate the bell so you can receive announcements of my next videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And I didn't record it, but on the black letters I applied some glitter. You can see it shining bright as a star. I hope you like this video and I will see you on the next video.